Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's get us to 30,000 subscribers. Yeah guys, today may I cook some turkey neck and some I don't know what me I cook with the turkey neck, guys, but me I go cook some turkey neck. Me I go show you what me cook. Me I go show you the turkey neck. Me don't know if me I go show you what me I eat turkey neck with. What me I cook, me no know. My cook little rice with little don't call that something there with butter in it. I don't know. But that's what I'm gonna be doing today, guys. Remember, you can find me on other platforms at Fanika TV. Also, you can find me on Facebook at Erica Shackelford. And guys, I have a new Instagram. It's named Fanika TV10. I want you guys to go and follow me on that Instagram as well. Yeah, guys, and remember, when you go on Fanika TV on my Instagram, you can follow my close friends, guys, where I upload videos on photos as well there. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. We're gonna cook up some turkey neck. Yeah guys. Yeah. Turkey neck. Black and white, you're here. You come home. Guys, me go clean up my turkey neck. Oh gosh, me forgot. Oh, when me done clean them up, me get that. Yeah guys. How then do forgot to put that part there. Meat is as this guys. Oh, yeah, I want something on the turkey neck. I have to try if it get off. It depend it depend it curry go too. I have to try cut off. Then if I get it chop off, it chop up. Chop up. Some of them will get messed up. Just go and take off that skin way over here. That skin I come off. It's easier to cook. The whole day something. So just me tell look like he should have clean off from boy yesterday. Just chop no fucking something. Chop it. Chop all of it. I think no more than they want. Already, I will just use the scissors now and just take off the white sitting over here. Yeah, guys, this is the turkey neck cleaned up and looking good. We're gonna put some seasoning on it. Wait a minute, get it seasoned up. Yeah, guys, and cook. We're cooking some. It's brown stew. It's brown stew turkey neck, guys, with some beans, with broad beans in it. You know, say we always put brown beans in our way. Turkey neck. So yeah, guys, me go season it up. Oh, me go season it up now. Remember, if you reach this far in the video, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe to this one. Shake up. Got 3 different type of seasoning. You know, this like you wanna shake up. This a season to the bone. You know this. Guys, me say me did have one season pan. I don't know if you never watch me with me season pan. But me did have one season pan. Put some browning on it. Use my hand. Me use my hand, guys. They are this style. So guys, me in one good mood now. See me here. I still do my video. I like the video when me in a good mood, but there we go. So some garlic in it, but meanwhile the meat I cook. About 3 pig. Garlic always give food a nice smell, flavor. Put water on it. Yeah. Okay, me there make you. Unless when you watch TV, I see them a cook turkey, and you think I just cash and go. And I cash and go. You have to make this cook down good. Cause also bone. All the meat if you yourself $100. Cause also bone. No nutrients in them. Guys, me I got say me can get oxtail to cook this Sunday. Last Sunday me cook. Then me go get oxtail cook. I don't even know how much we oxtail. Me even too like it, but I do it for my channel. Me cook it. Me cook it what day me not like it. Maybe me I cook it better and see. Cause what it last when me did cook it, me da cook more than one stuff. So I don't know if I try music kind of tired. So guys, the girl is not feeling too par, but so that I put out my video saying party happy. Oh, cream sitting in the girl give me a request. No spoil it, well I have to spoil. the wrong way. Particular use around very good. I too fucking chop. I'm using knife, guys. Got the tomato and something there. So we can make like a lot of tomato. How are really a going? Really? Yeah. I remember when name sweet pepper. I remember if you put it 600 I may pay for two in. Man I go bow. Something them big. I was sure I want him. You spice up my plate. And you can cook more than one time, kind big. Me always like eat sweet pepper now. And the turkey neck. I mean like the colored one. And then you go let's see just the green. Yeah, then I go put mixed vegetable in this. Rice, sour bean. No want this something bad to the papa. Oh my gosh. Why did something always happen to me? Me cut it open. Add it. Don't not no more not knowing them. Do that. But pack up. You guys. Let me keep well long I know. Make a nice gravy. I don't think you need nothing else. Hey guys, this is my turkey neck. Tell me how me do, guys. It's looking beautiful and it smells good. I'm gonna cook it with little rice. Yeah, guys, and that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.